In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check what version of Microsoft Word you are using. This is a very helpful thing to know, especially if you're troubleshooting an error, following a tutorial online, or trying to make sure your Word is up to date. Different versions of Microsoft Word sometimes have different features and menu layouts, so checking your version can save you a lot of time and confusion. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can open a blank document or any existing file, it doesn't matter. Once Microsoft Word is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will bring you into the Backstage view, where you can manage settings and view information about your Office apps. Now, on the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Account. In some versions of Word, this may appear as Office Account, but it works the same way. After clicking Account, look for the section called Product Information. Here, you will see details about your Microsoft Word installation, including the Microsoft Office version you are currently using. If you want to view more specific information, such as the full version number and build number, look for an option that says About Word and click it. A small window will pop up showing the complete version details, including the exact version and build of Microsoft Word installed on your computer. This is the information you usually need if you're reporting a problem or checking compatibility. Once you've checked your version, you can simply close the About Word window and return to your document. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check what version of Microsoft Word you are using. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.